What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and this is gonna be an incredible video when it comes to funneling people to a fucking close. And this exact funnel is what I use, and mind you, I don't even run paid ads right now. Like, I haven't run a single paid ad in my entire life, yet I am able to make insane amounts of money. For example, this is almost 20K collected in the past, like, 7 days or so. So if you want to get results like these without even spending a single fucking dollar on paid advertisement, then definitely watch this whole video. This strategy basically works for anyone with like a coaching offer, an agency model, personal branding agencies, content agencies. So if you want to start making money without spending a single dollar on paid ads, definitely watch this video because as you can see, it made me a lot of fucking money, guys. And if you're watching this, I'm guessing you want to do the exact same thing. Maybe you want to buy a watch, maybe you want to reinvest it back into your business to make sure the business is sellable. Who knows what your goal might be? But everybody knows that making money is not a bad thing to do. So let's dive into this whole funnel. And I really want you guys to pay attention to this whole funnel because it's actually insane how much money you can make with this once you have set up your personal brand. And also, let me know what you guys think of the glasses. I just got them a couple weeks ago. Yes, I don't know. I can't see properly anymore. I drive into families and stuff if I don't wear them. Just kidding. But let's dive into the video. So this works with a 2 to 8K per month upfront offer. And you want to make sure that you test the offer, prove that people actually want to buy this offer, and then you can start scaling using this exact funnel. Because if you haven't proven that people want to buy your offer, and if you haven't tested that people want to buy your offer, then it's gonna be really hard for you to scale. Because if you have this beautiful offer in your opinion, but you have no clue if people want to buy it, then why the fuck do you want to scale? Because nobody wants to buy it, so you won't even be able to scale. That being said, with this funnel, you want to focus on generating quality attention and attract your ideal client profile to your personal brand. And in this funnel, I'm going to explain exactly how we do this and the different traffic funnels that we can use in order to get this attention to our profile and therefore generate people into customers. So that being said, we want to create traffic and attention in the form of content. Think about X, think about email, think about short form, long form, outbound messaging, stories, whatever the case may be. We want to focus on creating as much content as possible because that is what's going to get us the sales. If people don't know who the fuck you are never going to be able to sell your product or service if you use this exact funnel. So let's continue and let's start with focusing on the traffic and the attention. And how do we actually get that? Well, the answer is pretty simple. We focus on organic growth and paid growth. And organic growth looks something like YouTube, Instagram, and stacking these two together in order to get people's attention. And what does it look like? Well, as you can see, I'm making this video right now to get your attention, to convert your attention. And the reason being is because I have a beautiful product that I can offer you, and I have results that I can get for you, which you can see on my Instagram profile. And therefore, I am making these videos to flex the results, show what I can do to you, provide value to your life so you can actually change your life without even paying me. So if you check out my YouTube here, you can see I post tons and tons of videos. I post at least one video every single week. I post videos on client results. I post videos on how I figure shit out. I post videos on the fun stuff that I do in Dubai or Miami or Mykonos with my girlfriend. I share my life story, 30-minute long video. I share another client testimonial with one of my clients, Ruben. I scaled to fucking 240K followers in the last 7 months on his Instagram profile. So definitely recommend you check him out. But I basically provide value and entertain people with lifestyle and valuable information that actually I learned and that I do within my business. And therefore, people can watch this and implement it into their own business, whether it's for social media, scaling agencies, scaling offers, or just entertaining people in general. Now, what does the Instagram attention look like that we want to start stacking? And it's actually pretty simple in the form of reels. And again, we want to focus on lifestyle reels and also focus on providing value in our reels. So if I go to my Instagram page, you can actually see here, I post one video every single day. And some people might say that, hey, it's better to post more. Some people might say it's better to post less. I don't want to overspend the account. I just want to post whatever feels right for me. And for me, it's a lot of lifestyle, but also sharing tons of value. If you're not following me on Instagram, I would highly recommend you start following me, as I also share a lot of insights on my stories. So definitely recommend you start following me. And as you can see, the views are consistent. Again, guys, you don't need a lot of views to convert people into sales, because if you do need a lot of views to make money, then explain to me how I make over 50K per month while only having 2 to 3K views consistently on my profile and only 10K followers. Yes, you guys can explain it to me because you don't need a lot of followers. Now, let's see if we can get this camera back on. There we go. So that being said, post videos on your social media so you can actually generate that attention and generate those people to your profile. And then the other form of growth is, of course, paid. You can start boosting reels, boosting YouTube videos, boosting your stories to even get your ideal client profile that you can specifically pick by targeting the right person. And then they will come to your profile, start following you, and then you stack this over time. The more and more videos people are going to watch from you, the more trust you gain, the more credibility you can build, and the more the likelihood will be that they will start DMing you or start tapping into the offers that you have. Now, as you can see, and as I explained already, I focus on educational and valuable content on my social media, as well as lifestyle videos, which will increase the perceived value and the perspective that people have on me as a person. So you always want to make a combination of the two, because let's say I'm only providing value right now, but I don't have the perceived value way up there with the lifestyle that I'm living, then anyone can say that they make $1 million a month, but where's the proof? Where's the proof that I'm actually doing it, right? So that's why you want to combine the lifestyle videos with the educational videos, and then that really nurtures people. And then how do we convert these people? And this is where basically the bread and butter comes in. So you want to start posting story sequences, because the way Instagram and social media works in general, people see you one time, they think, oh, nice video. So for example, this can be a reel. They see a lifestyle edit, they say, oh, cool lifestyle. Next thing you know, they see a value video of you in the car. You provided some value for them and helped them with a specific problem. They're like, yo, this guy here is actually helping me out. Let's check out his profile. Boom. Check the highlights. They see who you're working with. And then once they check the highlights, the perceived value goes up so much that they will actually convert into a follower. Now, once they convert into a follower, and I'm not sure why this is not loading at the moment, but once they convert into a follower, that's basically where the bread and butter comes in. Because if you convert them to a follower, that basically means that they will most likely start checking your stories on a daily basis as well. Meaning, if you post, as mentioned here, a story sequence or a CTA on your story, just like this one I did with my client Ruben, then people can watch the video on long form. People see the results. People know the strategy that you're implementing, and therefore people want to start working with you. You do a CTA on your story, and since they follow you, they see the story, they DM you, boom, seller comes into the DMs and starts the conversation. Now, this is basically the whole flow of organic marketing and what you want to be focusing on. And of course, you have Instagram threads, you have X as well, you have email marketing as well that you want to be tapping into on a weekly and daily consistent basis. But when it comes to video marketing and organic short form and long form marketing, this is the exact strategy that you want to implement. So make sure you never miss a single day of posting, and make sure you never miss a single week of posting. And that's why I'm even filming this video right now. I need to be posting it in, I think, 1.5 hours. Thumbnail is already being made. So it's going to be crazy. Also, my bad for being a little bit sick, but I just need to get the job done, and I need to get these videos out. But where can we find these people? Where can we find the setters that will actually start these conversations with the people that start following us and interacting with our profile? Also, we need to get another one of these out there for this to make sense. But there we go. Boom. And then hire VAs or setters. So how do we hire VAs and setters? It's actually pretty simple. You can find a very cheap VA for about $300 a month. You need like 3 VAs depending on the lead flow that you have and the inbound and outbound messages that you have. Then you can also do a VA commission based. And this is what I do. I like people working based off of commission, because if they work based off on commission, they will actually need to work harder to make more money, but also there's no limit to what they'll be making. The harder they work, the more money that they can make. And that's why it's so important to have people on commission. Pretty much any role within your company can have some form of commission, therefore incentivizing people to work harder within your company. So 7.5% per close, no base pay is the way I work. But you can also go for the 300 per month base pay and no commission. But the only thing is people will get very easily complacent when you do this. That's why I like the commissions. You can find these people on Online Jobstop. Make a hiring SOP, an onboarding SOP, and make strong KPIs. You want to make sure that you can track these people and track their work to see how they perform. Because as soon as someone in the top of the funnel process of your whole company is fucking off or is not doing the work, it's gonna cost you a lot of money. So make sure you have hungry people in there who can actually hit and beat these KPIs and be better every single month. That being said, you can also find people by posting a story. Pretty much any people or any person that works for me right now is found through posting a story on my Instagram. So if you have a pretty established personal brand, then I would definitely recommend you start posting videos on your Instagram stories when, or even post on your Instagram stories when you're looking for certain stuff, because that way you can actually convert them into high working employees in your company. So that being said, let's focus on why and how we can do this. You want to make sure that they do a prime profile positioning. So your profile needs to be extremely well put together for people to convert into followers and eventually sales. If your profile is one big mess and one big no-no, then nobody is going to start following you and nobody is going to convert into a customer. And that's just a big red flag, and you're also wasting a lot of potential with your videos if you don't have a solid profile. So make sure you state what you do, flex it. Also, funnel people to your YouTube channel with the deep link, so they, as you can see, if I click on this link, it should instantly take me, and specifically on the phone, takes me to the vlog. And that's something very important because this will actually increase the views on your vlog as well. Then you want to post highlights, show your lifestyle, show the clients that you work with, show any other valuable information that you can share and highlight them on your Instagram, so that when people come on your profile, they would actually start watching these highlights, and then the trust and the credibility of you goes up because they've seen these highlights. And that's where you provide them tons and tons of free value. And because you provide them with free value, they will trust and like you more and convert into a customer maybe further down the line. Now, the next thing that you want to make sure that these setters or VAs are doing is send about 300 outbound DMs a day. And I know there's a maximum of 40, 50 DMs a day on Instagram, but that doesn't matter because you can have multiple accounts with the same strategy doing outreach to your ICP or a ideal client profile, meaning you can do 300 a day or even unlimited depending on how many accounts you have in your pocket. And this is basically a rock solid structure for you to get more people into the conversation. And we want to leverage quality audiences. And how do we do this? How do we train these people to do outreach to the ideal client profile that we have? You want to make SOPs for this. And an SOP is basically something that explains exactly from A to Z how to do a certain task. And one of these tests that you want to teach them is how to do outreach to the ideal client profile. So how do we find high quality Instagram profiles that we can send our first message to? And then when they check out their profile, they will instantly convert into a reply. And basically, if you can get a reply from someone, it's already super, super high likelihood that you can close them if the profile is done well, if the testimonials are there, if your credibility is way up there as well. You can get them on a call, and it shouldn't even take fucking 10 minutes to close the client if you do everything that I've just mentioned in this video right. From the YouTube videos to the Instagram videos to the stories to the positioning of your profile. You want to make sure you do everything right and you have the setter and the back end done well. Now, the output that we have the conversation with the setter, book a call, boom, close, money comes into the bank account. You are happy, client is happy because you get your ideal client as a client, and that means you can also get them results. You only want to work with people you can get results with, guys, because if you work with people you can't get results with, your name is going to suck. People are going to start talking bad about you because you can't get them results. And that's something that you don't want to have happen to you within business. Now, how do we do this? We pay these setters or VAs about 0 to 3K per month, depending on how many calls they book and how many sales they get. But who is a VA or a setter? It's a generalist, someone who's not an expert in something, but is easy to train. A person with general information on your offer and niche and knows what to do. Capable of doing low brain power tests over and over and over again. Almost like a fucking AI. But best thing is not to have an AI set for you. Always put a human in there. That's just how I prefer doing things, to keep things as personal as possible, since we're also working with personal brands here and real people. Needs KPIs. You need to have a tracking sheet showing exactly what is going on. And actually, let me pull up my tracking sheet for you guys if I can find it. So as you can see here, I just started this tracking sheet and implement this into my company. And you can see exactly how much ad spend I have, how much followers I gained, subscribers I gained, followers on Instagram I gained, how many inbound DMs we had, how many outbound DMs we had, the conversations we had, and also the money that we made. And this is just the month of November. I'm not going to show the whole sheet. We also started testing it this month. But December and January are already looking very healthy. And you want to make sure you track everything, guys. If you're not tracking everything, you're missing out on a lot of data, and you want to make sure you can make decisions based on numbers. That being said, with these tracking sheets, you can set KPIs. So, for example, amount of outbound DMs that need to be sent every single day can be 50, 100, 300 DMs. Amount of conversations that we need every single day is 100. And you can break down all these numbers to see what you need to be doing every single day, or what the setters need to be doing every single day in order to get to your goal. So keep tracking the data sheets with the KPIs, and then everything should be fine. And train these people, monitor these people with the tracking sheet, with the KPIs, with the SOPs. Now, how do we find these people? You can go in Facebook groups, story posts if you already have a following, or online JobStop, which actually is a very good platform to find people for your company, and super easy to hire. No bullshit like, oh, you need to have an account and please pay me through Fiverr. Just a great platform to hire people. Again, when you have a personal brand, get them from your following and pay for them. But this is for a different role that I'm going to dive into right now, because this is for project managers. And why do we need project managers? Well, a project manager, the way I see it, is basically someone who can do the very high level tasks. A project manager is an expert. You can teach them what you know, and they kind of already know what you know as well, so they can deliver the service for you. Now, a project manager is usually a 0 to 10K per month role, and it's an expert at what they do. They understand exactly how to deliver the service and what you offer, almost as if you are delivering it as the business owner. Now, know and does create content him or herself, and leverages the assets to build a own strong personal brand that actually gets you clients for your company as well. They operate as a leader and work completely independently and manage the teams. They know how to put people in place. They know how to steer people in the right direction. And then they innovate and improve every single day. They will say, hey, Kier, I found out about this system. Let's implement it for your company ASAP because I think it will be beneficial. Boom, you give red or green light. As soon as you give green light, they implement it because they are proactive and they can work independently and are innovative. That's the importance of having a project manager, and also what you need to be looking for. They build insane trust while keeping warm leads busy with consistent value, sending content, sending lead magnets, sending stories, keeping the chat warm in the DMs. That's what the project manager does. So where to hire them? You have a personal brand, you can get them from your follower, or you need to pay for them a big amount of money, because these are the people who are going to make you even way more money. Spending 10K on a project manager is not a waste of the 10K. That 10K is going to free up so much of your time that you are going to start making maybe 100 or 200K extra every single month because you have that one single project manager. Now, what does it look like when we implement all of this and we take a look at it, how it worked for me in real life? So we have the ideas/structure, we have the SOPs, we delegate it, and what happens is we make a lot of money within the process. Now, this is exactly what happens, and also how I close one of my clients. We post a story on client results. We show more client results, and we break down how we get the results. We also break down how we get the results in YouTube videos so people can watch it. Funnel to the long form videos, flex results like it's watches. Nobody gives a fuck about your Rolex if you do a B2B service or you have a business. They care about the results that you can get from them. So you need to start flexing the results like as if you're flexing a new Louis bag or a new Patek Philippe or a new Ferrari. It doesn't matter. Start flexing these results and show proof of having actual clients by doing testimonial Zoom call videos with them on your YouTube channel, so they can actually see, and people can actually see, that you really work with these clients. Because I can tell you right now, I work with Bill Gates and I founded fucking, I don't know, Microsoft. But if it's just my word to you, then I can probably be a liar. But if I have a Zoom call with Bill Gates and he's telling me, yo, he's my project manager with Microsoft, I don't fucking know, then people will actually start believing that I'm actually working with Bill Gates. So very, very important thing. Please do the client testimonials, guys. If you don't do the client testimonials and you don't get clients on a call when you get them results, you're missing out on so much dinero or money. So once you do this, this is what happened exactly with it. We posted stories on December 7th. I got an inbound voice note message from a Dutch client that I already closed. He asked me to send his Calendly on the 8th. I sent him the Calendly on the 9th. He booked a call. And then once he booked the call, he basically closed within 10 minutes and he paid on the 11th. This is how fast it can go, guys. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4 days, 4.5K cash collected. And this is just one client, one example, showing you exactly how this whole funnel works and what it will look like when you get even inbound DMs because you have these results, guys. If you have results, please start flexing them, because it's just going to make you so much money in the long run as well. And it shows that what you do actually works and your service is actually a solid product. That being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next time. I can pretty share anything and everything from my company. I have a filter that isn't really a filter because I'm allowed to share everything because it's my company. And if you have any questions, let me know or hit me in the DMs on Instagram at Kier Hübner, or you can check it down in the description. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like or subscribe. If not, I don't care. I don't need it. See you in the next video. Peace.